Hey guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you so much for your support.
Today we're going to show you guys how to do the draped ruffles.
So this style is really great for brides or proms.
So let's get started.
Anything I mention in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I'm going to be taking a section about an inch from her forehead back down to the ear. But I'm not going to get all the way down to the ear. I'm just going to leave just about this much. And I'm going to reserve that for later. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and comb her hair back, and I'm going to spray some gel right around here just to tame those flyaways. And then I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray just to give it some texture and give me better grip. You're just going to take a partial section from right here, which is above the eyebrow. Take a partial section. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take a partial section right above the eyebrow. So align your finger above the eyebrow and bring it back and pick up a section of the hair. Smooth it out and comb it. And now you don't want to bring it back too tight. You want the first initial gathering of the hair placed right on the top of her head gently. So you're going to take an elastic band and you're going to go ahead and secure it. So you're going to go ahead and just loosen this up a little. Make sure that it's not too tight on the head. It just rests right on top of her head. Now you're going to take another section right here, right above the ear. Take another partial section like this, and then the same thing on the other side. Take another partial section above the ear and bring it back. Before you secure this off with an elastic band, you want to bring it down a little bit and secure it. You don't want to secure it up here. So you want to secure it right down here. So now you have two of these right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this one here, the second one that you did. You're going to take the first one, put your two fingers right in between this section, and then take this one here and bring it through. Now you're going to do this and repeat this 3 times. So that was number 1. So you're going to take this one, grab this, the top, pull through, and then you're going to take this one here that you just pulled through, and you're going to bring this top through. That way you do it 3 times. Now I'm going to bring the bottom part a little bit tighter up against her head, and I'm going to hold that bottom part of the elastic band right here. I'm going to hold that right there. I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to pull this out, and then this one here. That's all you want to do. Just kind of look like it's draping down. Do the same thing on this side. Pull right here, then you pull right here. Then after you're done pulling, you're going to bring this and tighten it together. Okay? And then fix it a little bit. Now you're going to do the same thing here. You're going to hold this, pull this out, then you're going to pull it on the other side. Okay. And then you're going to tighten it. And that's the first section. I'll show you one more time. And this is all repeated. You're going to go ahead and take a section from the sides, just a partial section from the sides. Going to bring it together, secure it with an elastic band, and when you secure it with an elastic band, you don't want to secure it too tight to the head. Okay? I'm going to do it again, another section. bring it together, and then secure it. But when you secure the second one, you want to secure it down a little bit further than the first one. So now you're going to take the first one, put your fingers between the strands, bring this one here between your fingers and pull through. You're going to do this 3 times. Okay, so now again, pull through and pull through. So now you're going to go ahead and tighten the bottom part to the head. And you're going to hold the bottom part and drape these out. Again, this one and this one. After you're done draping it, you're going to tighten it to the head. Then you're going to take this, pull this one now, the second one, and just pull out right here. And pull out. Pull out right here. Just drape it down. And then after you're done pulling them out, go ahead and tighten them up. Okay, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to go a little bit faster for time purposes only. As you get down to the nape area where you have no hair to add, you're going to take just the sides here and pull them together. At the end, I'm just going to take this part right here and an elastic band right here. Then just going to go ahead and just tweak it to the way you like it. Drape it as much as you want. I'm gonna go back up and then just pull and tug on all the ones that I want fixed. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this side here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some hairspray. I'm gonna go ahead and drape this down towards her face really gently and very lightly. Then I'm gonna take the rest of this and place it right here. Then take the bobby pin and just secure this right here. Just gonna tug this a little bit back here just to cover that space. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Spray some hairspray. Gently lay it right here and then secure it with a bobby pin. And go back here. And so the reason why I have these extras in the front is so that it could just drape down very nicely and smooth. And with the extra pieces here, I'm going to go ahead and just curve them like this. Just place it where it blends in with the loops. And I'm just going to tighten this up. Spread this out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and loop it. Just take a bobby pin and put that loop and secure it right here. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and put accessories, and I have these here. I have these here that I got at Claire's. So I'm just gonna stick them in place. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. We love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!